Okay, here's all my parts on PC. Also got 480 gigs at solid state drive for storage. Main boot drive is ADATA 480 M.2. But the case is in here. It's $25 Rosewood case. It'll do the trick. No big deal. My 650 watt power supply. And this is the update part 3, I think it is, of this computer. Putting everything into the case. And also I got a DVD burner. I have to bring that out soon. Because I want to use a DVD burner too now and then. Alright, we'll pause, open up the case, see how it looks. Okay, you can see here the model number is FBM01 case. Front panel, 2 USB ports in the front, 2.5 inch bay, 5.5 inch drive bays, all black. Thumb screws, ventilation, micro ATX motherboard or ITX. This can fit. Okay, I will open it up, put all the parts in it, and see how it goes. All right, be back pretty soon. Okay, I'm going to do a quick shot inside the case. Comes with a 120 millimeter fan in front, and I think that's an 80 millimeter in the back fan. So not bad for 25 bucks. Just a simple little case. And there's the DVD burner. Okay, I will now install everything, see how it goes. Okay, I got the parts in. I did some cable management best I can with this $25 case. Got my Wi-Fi card, graphics card, power supply, DVD burner, and a solid state drive to 480. I'll put it all in the hole. Keep it nice and tidy there. Oh, see how it looks standing up. Or kind of go like that. Actually, don't look too bad. I do not have the 120 installed because if you notice, there's really no airflow can go into the case, so I just left that as is. But I hooked up that 80 millimeter to exhaust out more hot air, and this will actually exhaust out hot air too because of the fan inside the power supply. And this is a down breathable, and the side panel has holes on the side, so I bring in fresh air from the side of the case. Okay, let's flip her over and see what it looks like. Somehow I'm going to try to put that back panel on back here. It might bow a little bit, but if it's not too bad, then it will work for me. But it's better than have all those cables suffocate the air inside the case. And yep. And also keep your bread tie looking things from your sack, because it comes handy as cable measurement. So I'm going to pause here, see what I can do with the back panel. Alright. Like I said, it will bow a little bit, so it did a little bit on top. But as long as I got the back panel closed, everything's fine, because it's just the back panel. It's not the front. So I can dig it. You know what I mean? It's like you're not going to see it anyway. And plus it's my case. I mean my computer anyway, so I'm not doing it for custom or anything. So, and plus it keeps everything nice and neat in here. Nice and neat in here. It's less cable hassle to go through. Let everything breathe and flow. So not bad at all. GTX 970, 4GB model, which is the 3.5. My Wi-Fi card, 16 gigs of memory, DDR3, 1866 megahertz, 650 watt power supply, 480 ADATA M.2, PCI Express 3.0, DVD burner, 480 gigabyte Kingston solid state drive. It came out of a server, so it's heavier than the usual. I think it came out pretty good. Like I said, it got this little hump on back, but I don't mind. Or like like I said, keep cables nice and tight and clean. For 25 bucks, we expect. All right, let's go ahead and button this up and go plug it all in, see if it works. Alright, I got the side panel back on. What you can see is that where the airflow for that top down fan will suck it in from the side, keep it nice and cool. Also, the video card where it is will actually bring in cool air too. So I just want to show you that before I go in there and start hooking this thing up. Alright, wish me luck. Okay, and now it works. It's on the shelf up there. Not too loud. Fans are moving air. Stable. Might have to move it out a little bit here and there if I want to get the CD tray out, probably. Let's see. Yeah. Which not a problem, I guess. If you use the CD once in a while. Oh. Oh man, I don't see the DVD burner. For some reason. Be right back. Okay, I just had to reboot the computer and found it. So, yep, there we go. Y'all have a good one now. This was my last, might be the last update, I don't know. But y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.